Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an easy, super delicious tender beef stuffed plantain cups. If you're interested and want to see that recipe, please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
Before we start with our recipe, my name is Claude Mott and I'm the owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning. Le Bongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning come in 3 different heat levels. We have a regular, we have a mild and a spicy, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our products, since all of our recipe on our channel we have been using our seasoning, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And also guys, in this channel I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post video on how I run my business, including how I package my seasoning to ship them to my customers and how I prep to relaunch my business. And I also share a lot of small business tips. If that is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's present our ingredients. So for our stuffed plantain cup, we have some beef cube. I already cleaned and cut them. I have some green plantain, guys, not banana, green plantain, and I already cut them as well. And we are using the organic spicy meat seasoning. Even though this seasoning is called meat seasoning, if you are vegan, vegetarian, it is also safe to use and it is also gluten-free. And to make our plantain cup, I'm gonna be using this orange squeezer that I got from Amazon. I'll make sure to have the link below. And to garnish our stuffed plantain cup, I'm gonna be adding some organic Pikliz on top. And guys, for our beef, we are going to cook it in an air fryer. I'm going to season it, marinate with the meat seasoning, and then put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And for our plantain, we are going to deep fry them. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, and here is a closer look of our organic Pikliz. This is what we are going to garnish our stuffed plantain with. And here is a closer look of our organic meat seasoning. All right, we are going to start by seasoning the meat. If you are using more meat, guys, please feel free to add more. I think I added about 3 tablespoons in there. And this meat seasoning is an all-in-one, so I'm not gonna be adding anything else. It is packed with flavor. It doesn't need any extra salt. Everything is in there. This is what the meat looks like. So now I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes so we can fully marinate. It's been 25 minutes. Meat is ready. Now I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Meanwhile, I have my oil warming up. The seasoning already has oil in it, so I'm not going to add anything else in the air fryer, just the meat. No cooking spray, nothing. Just going to make sure that I spread them evenly so they can cook. And I don't want the beef to be extra chewy, so I'm going to have it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 15, no longer than 20 minutes. And this mini air fryer, guys, if you are interested and want to know where I got it, I will make sure to have the link in the description below. All right, the oil is ready. Now I'm going to start frying the plantain. We are going to let them get golden, not too crispy, Alright guys, we are going to let the plantain get golden, and after that we are going to take it out, squeeze it with the lemon squeezer, and then put it back again so it can cook fully crispy. Okay guys, so this is the first stage of cooking a plantain. So I'm going to let it get golden brown, not too crispy, and after that I'm going to take it out and then squeeze it with the lemon squeezer, and then put it back to fry until they get crispy and nicely golden. Alright guys, so the first phase of cooking the plantain is ready. So I'm going to take them out and squeeze them into the cup that I want. I didn't let them get fully cooked. It's just they are bigger size. I let them stay in the oil a little bit longer. That way when I'm forming the cup, they don't break. Okay, now we are going to move back to our prep table and start forming our cup. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier, this is a two-part process. So this is some water that I have, some seasoned water. I just season it with some salt, because what I'm going to do is after I form my plantain cup, I'm going to soak them in some salted water and then fry them again. The salted water not only gonna season the plantain, it's also gonna make it very crispy. And I cut these very big guys, and if you want it in a smaller size, feel free to cut it however you want. Look at that. It's a little hot, a little warm. Nice. And if you want your stuffed plantain to be smaller, you can also use a lemon lime squeezer. It's going to be smaller, but I wanted mine to be filled with a lot of meat, so I decided to use the other one. And this is what it looks like with the lemon squeezer. So now I'm going to continue working on these guys, and we'll be back. Okay guys, if you are hearing a noise in the background, it's the air fryer, but this is what our plantain cups looks like. So now we are going to soak them lightly in the salted water, and after that we are going to fry them again until they get fully crispy. We are going to soak the plantain in some salted water. The oil is hot, we can hear it. And guys, the beef is ready. Look at that, really nice, came out nice. All right. And I will be flipping them sides so I can make sure everything is fully cooked and coated. We are just going to flip them side so we can make sure that it's cooked through and evenly. And just be careful when you are flipping them, guys, because you don't want them to break. Okay, the first batch is done. I just have some paper towel to suck up the excess oil. Plantain is nicely crispy. Right, now we are going to work on the rest. Okay guys, we are back at our prep table. We have our plantain, we have the beef. We are just going to assemble everything. And it's up to you how much meat you want to add in there, guys. I also have another recipe with the stuffed plantain that I also made with shrimp. If you're interested and want to see that, please go ahead and visit my channel. And the quick and easy recipe playlist, you will find that recipe as well. And our recipe is pretty much done, guys. And to garnish our plantain cup, we are going to add some Pikliz on top. I like mine with a lot of Pikliz, but it's up to you on how much heat you can handle. And if you need some organic Pikliz, we also have them on our website. Want to make sure the meat is showing. And this dish is really nice, guys. This is something you can serve as a starter, an appetizer if you're having a party or a dinner. It is really good. The Pikliz take it to the next level. Alright guys, there you have it. Nice tender beef stuffed plantain cups. I really hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And as always, guys, I will see you next time. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.